1. Meaning and definition. Primary is the memory of a computer system that stores data, instructions, and that are currently being executed by the CPU. It acts as the working area for the processor and allows quick access to frequently used information. Secondary memory is an external or auxiliary storage memory used to store data, software, and files permanently. It provides long-term storage and keeps information safe even when the computer is turned off. 2. Direct access by CPU. Primary memory is directly connected to the CPU, and the processor can access data from it without any intermediate device. This direct communication allows faster execution of instructions and improves system performance. Secondary memory is not directly accessed by the CPU. Whenever the processor needs data stored in secondary memory, it must first be transferred to primary memory before processing can begin. 3. Main purpose. The main purpose of primary memory is to provide temporary working space for the CPU during program execution. It stores the operating system, running applications, and active data required by the processor. The main purpose of secondary memory is to provide permanent storage for storing large amounts of data such as documents, applications, videos, images, and backup files. 4 types of memory. Primary memory is mainly classified into RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read-only memory. RAM stores temporary data during computer operation, while ROM stores permanent instructions required for system startup. Secondary memory includes different storage devices such as hard disk drive, HDD, solid-state drive, SSD, USB flash drives, memory cards, CDs, DVDs, and external storage devices. 5. Volatility. Primary memory can be volatile or non-volatile. RAM is volatile memory because it loses all stored information when the power supply is removed. ROM is non-volatile memory because it retains data permanently. Secondary memory is generally non-volatile in nature. It stores data permanently and does not lose information even when the computer is switched off or disconnected from power. 6. Speed of operation. Primary memory is much faster than secondary memory because it has a direct connection with the CPU. It provides high-speed data access, which helps the computer execute programs quickly. Secondary memory is slower compared to primary memory because data must travel through storage controllers and input-output operations before reaching the processor. 7. Storage capacity. Primary memory has limited storage capacity because it is designed to provide high-speed access rather than storing large amounts of data. Modern computers usually have a few gigabytes of RAM. Secondary memory provides very large storage capacity compared to primary memory. It can store hundreds of gigabytes or terabits of data for long-term use. 8. Cost. Primary memory is more expensive per unit of storage because it uses high-speed technology and is designed for fast data processing. Increasing primary memory capacity can significantly increase the cost of a computer system. Secondary memory is cheaper compared to primary memory because it is designed for high-capacity storage rather than extremely fast access. It provides more storage at a lower cost. 9. Data storage duration. Primary memory mainly stores data temporarily while the computer is running. Once the power is removed, volatile memory like RAM loses its stored information. Secondary memory stores data for a long period and keeps information saved until the user deletes or modifies it. It is suitable for permanent storage purposes. 10. Data access method. Primary memory provides random access, meaning any location in memory can be accessed directly in almost the same amount of time. This makes it suitable for fast processing operations. Secondary memory also allows access to stored data, but the access speed is slower because it depends on storage technology and data transfer methods. 11. Usage in computer system. Primary memory is used while performing tasks such as running operating systems, opening applications, executing programs, and processing active data. Secondary memory is used for storing operating systems, installed software, personal files, multimedia content, and backup copies of important data. 12 examples. Examples of primary memory include RAM, ROM, cache memory, and CPU registers. These memories help the processor access instructions and data quickly. Examples of secondary memory include HDD, SSD, pen drive, memory card, CD, DVD, and external hard disk. These devices are mainly